Hey, what's up, Axie Infinity? What's going on this time? Axie Infinity will get a profit in last 3 days. You can see here 0.99% Axie Infinity price will pump up. So I think it's not a temporary pump. It's really permanent, and absolutely it's really huge, because whether especially after a dump, every coin will pump up. You can see after this dump they will starting moving upwards. So I think it's really good news for all of you. All right, so if we check out, my friend, the last 24-hour chart, and last 24 hours you can see minus 3.55% they were lost. But if we check out last 12-hour chart, my friend, so 1.61% they will pumps up. And don't worry, in last 24 hours also it's going to be positive just and only tonight. So that's mean to in last 24 hours they will moving upward. Congratulations, many to the price will starting increasing. Remember, I already tell you this is temporary fails. Don't worry, after this fails absolutely they will take a very huge jump and give you a good profit. So therefore I will notify you, my all viewers, my subscriber, to the price is going to, my friend, 130 USD dollar. But 130 is possible if a holder are starting holding, but if a holder are starting selling, then it's impossible. You can see here from last 3 days the highest price, as you can see here, my friends, just and only check out here this white dot line. You can see here 132 USD dollar. This is the highest you can see, my friends, price, or you can see a point they will hit now. And I'm 100% sure to again they will hit this point, but for that they will take some time, some days, my friends. Absolutely, it's very short time, my friends, just only 1 or 2 days, my friends, they will take, and they will give you 132. So if you invest today, my friends, and sell it, my friends, when they will hit 132 USD dollar, 100% you will earn a lot of money from crypto, my friends. So don't waste your time, please take a risk and get 100% profit. I'm 100% sure to in upcoming times Axie Infinity will completely moving upward. See you next time, holder. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.